Oh, hey learners, welcome to my YouTube channel at Education J Life. Please subscribe, like, and enjoy and share my videos to other participant or non-participant. So today we want to focus mathematics under logarithms. Whereby we'll use these to know how we work with logarithms. If you are told use a table to calculate this this expression, and you are told to use a mathematical table of logs, so we will start with the numerator, whereby we'll write it under number. You should first draw this table like this. You draw it well, whereby here we will write number. This means number 4.5 is our numerator. Is standard. This is standard form. So we write 4.5 times 10 raised to 0. Why? Because this number, when you are using logarithm, we should only put one decimal place, whereby we have one number that is more than 0. This number should be more than 0 for easy working. So this means 10 raised to 0 means 0. So if I take 4.5 times 0 is the same. So if we look at the log of this number in the log table, you will get 0.6532. That's how it is. So that is our numerator. So we have not yet done. Let us go to the denominator. This our denominator is 3.75. Let me write my point well. So here again, I told you this number should be more than 0. So it starts from 1 and above. So as the 3.75 times 10 raised to 0. So find it. Here, if you look, when you are using a log table in calculating such a question, you will see standard form. They have at the non-decimal numbers, which is 4 and 3, and it depends with the number you are being given. You will find that these numbers are more than 0. These numbers from here to here, I'm talking about that, they are more than 0, and they should be only one number. So for example, when you are being given 3, 4, 5, 6, so you cannot use this whole number. You will apply the basic rules. So it will be 3.45. It should be only 1 for easy working. For easy working. So let us return here. Here we will get log of this one. Will get 0.5740. 0.5740. So another thing here that you should understand, learner, that when we are dividing using log at this point, we minus, and when we are multiplying, we add. So here, because this is this means 4.5 minus 3.4. So we'll minus. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 4. You cannot. You cancel. You borrow 1. Here remains 4. 13 minus 4 get 9. Yes. Aha. Here we remain with 4. I borrow also. 14 minus 7. 7. Here will remain 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0. Remember my explanation here that I say a number raised to 0 is 10, and you can only write a standard form by you multiply a number by 10. So because this is 0, so let us put times 10 raised to 0. If you are keen, you will find if a power is 0, also when it comes to writing decimal, it will start with a 0. So it is times 10 raised to 0, and then we will find the value of this using anti-logarithms, or you can use your calculator, whereby you will write some calculator will write like this, 10 like this, and you put point 0 0 7 9 2, and you count only 4 significant figures and round off. For example, if I do like this in a calculator and I got my answer as 3.4567, what will I do here? I will count only 4 significant figure. The 1 2 3 4. I round off here and plus 1, so it becomes 3.457 like this. How? That is the way we should done it. So coming back to our normal equation, here we'll get here we'll get 1.200 when we find this using our calculator or calculator or table. So this is 1.2 times 0, which is the same as 1.2. That is our answer. So let us do more. So let's do more practice. This is another form of such a question, and here I bring a bit complex. So here you see there is minus here. When we are looking logarithms, we only deal with multiplication and division. So you should minus this first to remove it for us to work easier with it. So if we minus here, it will be 4.0836. That minus this one, minus 3.7112. Let me minus it. So I'm minusing 6 minus 2. There I get 4. There is 4. There is 4. 3 minus 1. It is 2. 8. This is 8. minus 1 we get 7. Now you cannot minus this, so I borrow here. It will become 10, remain 3. So 10 minus 7 get 3.0, and we will use this to work on that. So let me rewrite it somewhere here for us to be able to understand it.